Humans are remarkably good at adapting and normalizing technology. It's like the boiling frog adage. It's just a slow boil. Occasionally you have those moments where it's just like, did I just really do that in just a matter of moments? There's a pet workflow that you and I were talking about as far as doing pre-meeting prep. And it took me like 3 hours to build this workflow. And not only does that basically replace 3 different SaaS pieces that could be in my marketing stack, it would have taken a human several hours. And right now, there are high-skilled humans out there that are prepping for these weighty meetings for their team, and they're spending hours or days or even weeks to do so. And now it just pops up in my Slack, and it's just this automagic moment of progress. And really, you haven't seen anything yet.